Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an snack bar in Flutter. So let's start working. First, I'm going to create my stateful widget. I have a snippet for this, so scaffold, and I'm gonna name it snack bar view, and let's save it. And I'm going to give a title to app bar. Let's make it snack bar tutorial. Okay, now I will create a column with center, body, center, and column here, and children. Let's make this main axis alignment center. So let's create some buttons here. Elevated button, unpressed, and let's give it a child. It's gonna be text, and this should be green. And let's give it some color. Am I in the wrong place? Child and style, yeah. Material state color dot resolve it colors dot green. Let's wrap it with button style and background color, yeah. Now let's save it, and we have something like this. I'm gonna create 3 of these, so I'm just going to copy paste here. Let's copy this button and paste. Copy the button and paste here, paste here. That's gonna be amber, and that's gonna be red. So we have 3 buttons here. Now I'm going to create a function which will show us the snack bar. Let's come here, void show snack bar, and I'm going to create a snack bar instance here. Snack bar, and snack bar. So let's give it a content that's gonna be text, and we will give our text to this content here. So I'm going to create a parameter here that's gonna be string and title, and I'm going to create another parameter that's gonna be color and color. Let's give our title here, and let's give a background color here. Now we are going to write scaffold messenger dot of context dot create show snack bar, yeah, and that's gonna be our snack bar. Now we have ready, we can call this from our buttons. Let's call it here snack bar and give it a title that's gonna be green, and colors dot green. Let's copy paste it for all our buttons. That's gonna be amber, and that's gonna be red. So let's hot reload here and see what we have done. Now when I click green, I see green here. I want to add one more property here. I will create an action here, and that's gonna be snackbar action. Snackbar action. Let's give it a title, label, sorry. That's gonna be close and compressed, that doesn't matter. And I will give it a color to the label, text color, colors.white. Now let's save it and see what we have now. When I click green, I see green snackbar here. When I close, it closes. And amber, it closes, and the red snackbar. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.